What's happening, everybody? Welcome in, welcome in. I appreciate you. Let's start out. Hit the subscribe, hit the like, all that good stuff. Today, we are going to plant carrots on the garden. It's a beautiful day here in Southeast Virginia, so let's get to it. All right, today we're planting carrots. First of all, I hope you, your friends, your family are all safe, healthy, and happy. Hope everybody's having a fantastic week and have good plans for the weekend. So today, we're gonna plant some kaleidoscope blend carrots from Burpee. These are different colored carrots, so we're gonna try those out. And then we're also gonna plant some carrots from Garden. These came out awesome last year, so we're gonna try these again. So what I'm gonna do is these kaleidoscope ones, we're gonna test these out. These are supposed to be different colored carrots. Kind of like if you watched my last video, I got the 3-color blend beans. So we're gonna do the same thing here. These are, different colors of carrots. And so I've already dug my trenches here, you can see, and I'm just gonna line these in. I'm gonna be very generous with them. That's the way I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna be very generous with them because at the end, when, after they've started to grow a little bit, I'll thin them out. You see, I don't know if you can see here. Oh, these damn butterflies already. You can see I made 3 trenches here. Well, I got room for 2 more. And what I'll do is I'll thin this stuff out and use 2 more trenches with the ones that I've planted. That way I'm not wasting anything. I don't like wasting. That's the Burpee kaleidoscope blend. So I'm just gonna do 1 trench of those. Now these Gardener ones, these were really good. They grew pretty big. You can check out my video from last year. Maybe I'll put it up over here. All right, so these ones, Royal Chantenay from Gardener. Either one of these places, Burpee or Gardener, great places to get your seeds from. Gardener is a little bit cheaper, I think, at least on the stuff that I've bought. So, all right, so same thing. I'm just gonna be very generous. There's the seeds. I'm just going to be very generous in these trenches. And then I'll cover them up. Only need to be about 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep. See, my soil's, it's a little moist, it's a little damp, but I'll water this in after the video. And hopefully through the shade you can see the trench that I dug here. Just sprinkling them in. Very generous. They will start growing on top of each other and things like that, so that's why you'll need to thin them out later. But just a trench. Just a trench, cover them back up. And then water them in. Just want to do a quick video on planting carrots. Once again, I got the Royal Chantenays from Gardener and Kaleidoscope blend from Burpee. 2 different kinds. I'll thin them out as they start sprouting, so that way they're not growing on top of each other, growing together and things like that. You get some funky shaped carrots when you do that. So I appreciate everybody stopping in. Please like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Share with your friends. Really trying to grow this channel. I've been at it almost 2 years now, and I'm just over 100 subscribers. So trying to make a good community, and hopefully I'm teaching some things throughout my videos if you go back and watch a few of them. But I appreciate you all. To my subscribers, thank you very much. I appreciate you. So everybody have a fantastic weekend and be good to each other.